Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make Jamaican-style chicken chop suey. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I am going to show you all the ingredients I am going to use to make the Jamaican-style chicken chop suey. So these are the chicken them that I am going to use, and these are boneless chicken thighs. I just need to cut them in small pieces and wash them with lime. So here I am going to use some baby pop choy. I am going to use a small piece of this cabbage. I am going to use a piece of this broccoli also. I am going to use fresh thyme. I am going to use some grated ginger, garlic, sweet peppers, the yellow and red. I am going to use red onion. To season the chicken, I am going to use my all-purpose seasoning. I am going to use some black pepper. I am going to use garlic powder, some onion powder. I'm going to use some sesame oil, soy sauce. I am going to use chicken stock. I am going to use 2 small carrots, some string beans, and scallions. This is 3 stalks of scallions. I'm just going to cut them in strips, just like this. Now I am going to wash the chicken with lime. Now I am going to season the chicken. I am going to use 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. So I am going to use 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. I'm going to massage the seasoning in the chicken. Now I am going to cover it up for it to marinate. So meanwhile it's marinating, I am going to prep the rest of ingredients. Now I am going to make the chop suey sauce. I am going to add 1 cup of chicken stock. I am going to add 3 tablespoons soy sauce. That's 2, 3. I am going to use 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. I am going to use 1 tablespoon sesame oil. I am going to use 1 tablespoon brown sugar. I am going to use 1 tablespoon cornstarch. I am going to use 3 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon black pepper. Going to whisk everything together. Now I am going to set this sauce aside until cooking time. Now I am going to wash all of my vegetables using some salt, cold water, so I'm just going to use 1/2 of this onion. For the peppers, I'm just going to use half. Cut them in strips. So I'm just going to use 1 carrot and I'm going to use the bigger one. This amount of cabbage is okay. So this is the pan that I am going to use to cook the chicken chop suey in. Going to turn on the stove. Going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am going to allow the oil to get hot. Now the oil get hot, I am going to stir fry the chicken them for 7 minutes. So I'm just going to keep stir fry them for 7 minutes. So I'm going to flip them over now. Remember that I am stir frying them for 7 minutes. So it is already 7 minutes. Now I am going to remove all the chicken from the pan. To the same pan, I am going to stir fry vegetables. I am going to add the carrots. I am going to add string beans. I am going to add the cabbage. So remember that I am just stir fry them a little bit. I want them to still crunchy, but don't want them too soft. Now add in the broccoli. Now I am going to add the pop char. Now I am going to season the vegetables with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Not too much. Now I am going to remove all the vegetables from the pan. After remove the vegetables, now I am going to saute my garlic. Just going to saute the garlic for a minute. Now add the fresh thyme. Now I am going to add the sauce that I make earlier. I'm going to make it cook for 2 to 3 minutes before I add back the chicken and vegetables. You can see it start to get thick. So it is already 3 minutes. Now I am going to add back the vegetables. Now I am going to add back the chicken. Look how beautiful this look, my people. Look at this. Nice and tasty. Now I am going to have a plate. This is so flavorful. So let me know in the comment, what would you eat this with? Would you eat it by itself or eat it with rice? Let me know in the comment. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the video description, so check the video description to get all the ingredients. And please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.